Summer vacation season at dunes of steps and sea waves, and moments filled with songs, dances, and music continue. The Avazа International Dance Festival, which includes the cultural representatives of 10 countries, are held in the festive atmosphere.
I'm truly honored to have performed, our group have performed in this beautiful Avazа folklore festival and tradition.
We prepare a lot of suits, a lot of dancing, a lot of surprise.
We are blessed to have an interaction with all these countries that have come here to participate, and we are glad to be part of this grand event.
We had an amazing stay here and we hope to come again next year if you are honored enough to be invited.
Enjoy the time in pleasant Avazа of Turkmenistan.